Hello from Slovenia again. I already filled up 2 little cups with paint. It's another day of my rainbow week. And I will pour these 3 over the sides of this 3D printed flower shaped cup and see what I will get. Maybe nothing nice, but let's see. I will start here. It's a windy, rainy day today here in Slovenia. So definitely autumn is coming, fall is coming in town. We have quite warm last few days, but now it's definitely, you can smell fall in the air. Okay, so let's see what is underneath here. Okay, so I will grab this part and take it towards the middle, and this part and this part, that one, that one, that one. So weird that paint wasn't flowing underneath as much as normally do when I do this technique. Really strange. But I didn't try it with this cup yet, so that I will leave this like it is with this white around, because I don't know, it didn't turn out as I was hoping for. Maybe I should switch my colors, order of my colors, I don't know, but I will leave it. but I don't know. No, I will not leave it, because it's not something that I would like to have. Really isn't. Those colors are just too, I don't know how to say. Just don't look nice together. So what can we do? Let's pour some paint in this cup again. And I will try to do just a regular ring pour. I'm just pouring paint into this split cup. And I will do just a ring pour on top and maybe rack it, I don't know. Let's see what will happen. Or maybe just straight pour. Some rings. And again, I did it again, you see. I just put my cup. I always do that, almost always. So I will rack it a little bit. Because I just don't like this now. And I will leave this like it is. And now I will spin it. and this is more something that I like. Kind of simple, but still just try to come with this middle part on the middle. Okay, I'm happy with this because I really want to see all the colors and all, and I just lost it in my previous one, so I think that this turned out much better with all those ragged lines. And here is a kind of a sky, I think. See, there is a lot of beautiful lines in there, and I like it. It's simple, but still I still like it because it's rainbowish and it's a rainbow week, and this is not quite a challenging technique, so maybe you can try it as a beginner too. So this is it for today. Tell me if I save it. I like it. I will keep it, maybe even for myself. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.